Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to open a Uber Eats driver account. So you can start earning some extra money. Now you can see right over here, we are going to actually have this in real time. So you can see all the questions it's going to ask you and all the information you are going to need to input. So you can go and download the app and plug everything in. So we are going to click on get. This is gonna be the app that we do need to use, so that way we can earn the money when it comes to doing upgrades. After downloading, we are gonna go ahead and click on open app, and it's going to go ahead and start loading up. So first thing it's going to ask us is to allow to use your location. Now this of course is to be able to help them pinpoint all the different locations and everything that needs to do. I will personally go with allow while using the app to be able to go through that. Now from right over here, it's going to go ahead and say welcome. Welcome to the driver app. We are going to click on continue. And first thing it's going to ask us is entering the phone number or email address. I'm personally going to use a phone number as it's going to make it a lot easier be able to get into the account and have everything go through. And here it's gonna say would you like notifications. We are gonna go ahead and click on allow. Now just like that, we are right into the app itself, but we are still gonna need to plug in some really critical information so we can go through the process of going ahead and earning some money. Now you can see right over here there's a big little red area. Click on that and go through this process. So when I click on that area, it actually took me to the page that looked like this, and I actually used to have an old Uber account where I was actually driving people around. But for Uber Eats, it looks like it takes in a lot of that same information, so we are going to have to go through that. I'll show you the steps there. Adding driver license, I currently have mine already on file because again the original Uber account that I had. But this is gonna ask you to take a photo of your driver license front and back, make sure everything looks good. I have a profile picture. Then adding your vehicle. Now if you had a vehicle before and it's expired, you are going to go ahead and update all that information. So we are going to go ahead and click on where it says background check. So right over here, this is going to say it's time to review your background check. So it's going to ask for all this information right here. So it says receive a free copy of your background check report if you like. You're going to go ahead and click on continue. It says acknowledge, agree, and acknowledge all this information when it comes to background check. So you can click on the bottom right over here. Now it's going to go through that process of verifying your information. Now it can take anywhere from a day to 2 day, I believe, business days of course, to be able to go through that. Now again, if your driver's license is not already on there, you can go ahead and click on right here, and then that way it's going to ask you to take a photo of your driver's license again, front and back. Next up right over here would be to add a profile photo. This will actually have a photo that you need to take in real time, so that way they can match up with your driver's license. Make sure it looks good because it will be your profile picture. I believe you can update it later, just not on this setup right over here. And then your vehicle right over here, it's going to ask you for your vehicle insurance. So you are going to click right over here at the bottom. It's going to ask you to take a video of your vehicle insurance, and then if that looks good, the next step right over here is to do your registration as well as your vehicle inspection. So now the vehicle inspection is a little bit different. Right over here, it's going to go ahead and have you go through all the processes. Click on find an inspection. They can through and verify everything looks good for your car. Now you are waiting for that, you can also go ahead and add in your bank account. So on the top left hand side with these tag three lines, then you are going to see an option that says account, and then from right over here there's an option that says payment. So if you click on there, you're going to see at the very top where it says payout, there's an option to be able to add your bank account, or if you already have one because of again Uber, you can go ahead and just leave that there if everything is the same. Now you can choose how often you get paid out as well. So just go through that process, get everything all set up for you until you get your debit card from Uber Eats. So that way everything is all set up. So once you get the debit card, you can go ahead and go through and start earning money and getting paid out properly. Now one of the other things as well too, if you didn't already have an Uber account, it will ask for like your mailing address, so that way they can ship you out an Uber Eats card. So that way once your background check is done, you can go ahead and use that card to be able to pay for the services or the products that people are asking for, and going through and being able to complete your orders. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.